Hello guys and welcome to another episode of Attorney B's Cards and Collectibles vlog. This is Attorney B and today guys we will unbox this 2024-2025 Optic Donruss Mega Box. We can get a downtown here in this box. So do you want to see the contents of this box? Let's find out. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today guys, itong bubuksan natin. Optic Donruss Basketball Mega Box. So in this box, we can get the downtown. Yun yung hinahabol talaga dito. So here, find 14 Mega Box exclusive hyper parallels. So medyo mahal to ngayon dito sa US. So pero bubuksan natin. So hopefully makakuha tayo. So ilang cards pa to? 56 total cards. Buksan na lang natin. Ayun, 7 packs. 8 cards per pack. Ayan guys, so kung makikita nyo sa likod, merong kakalabas lang. Topps Comic Book Heroes Golden Anniversary. So Marvel. So bubuksan din natin. So in this mega box 8 packs. 7 packs yata. 7 packs. Ayan. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 lang. Palagay 7 na yun. Isa pa. So 7 packs. Ayan. Downtown to one. Paisa lang. Paisang downtown. Ganda ng box ng cards pala. So tignan natin. Ayan, puro kulay So Naz Reid, Grant Williams, Jose Alvarado, may black. Winner stays Shaquille O'Neal, blue. Rated rookie Dillon Jones, pink. Reed Shepard, blue. Pacome, the Diet, rated rookie holo, and Kyle Filipowski. Yan, check natin. Ito yung base. Okay. So ito yung holo. So tayo mo pala makukuha ditong magagandang inserts. Magagandang parallels. Reed Shepard blue. Numbered pala siya 140 of 175. So blue, numbered to 175. Etong parang pink. Hyper pink. Wala. So parang hyper pink. Dillon Jones. Then ito, Shaquille. Blue, winner stays. Wala. Right. So that's the first pack. Ganda. Ang daming parallels. Kaya pala siya medyo mahal. Next pack, we have Nikola Jokic. Base. Ang dami rin kulay dito. Jaden Ivey. White Hot Rookies. Zachary Risache. Ito yung pink ulit. Terrence Mann. Chicago Legend. Derrick Rose. Kakauwi lang ng Pinas nito. GSW Andrew Wiggins holo. Carmelo Anthony Legends and Ron Holland. Walang kanina puro rookies. Ito wala. Ito lang ang rookie. Ron Holland. Andrew Wiggins. Sige na nga. Sleeves na natin. Holo naman. Carmelo Legends. Derrick Rose pink. Numbered ba to? Hindi. Terrence Mann. Hindi rin numbered. Ito pala. Second rookie of the pack. Zachary Risache. Ano na rin natin to. Si Nikola Jokic. Okay, next pack. We have 5 more packs to go. Tignan natin dito. Oh, dami na namang kulay, oh. May parang red. Ivica Subak. Robert Williams III. Jeremy Sochan. Ito, ano to? Uy, Luca, baby. Express Lane. Ganda. Indiana, Andrew Nemhart. Rated Rookie Pink. Johnny Furpy. Holo, Andre Jackson, and Dirk Nowitzki. Ganda. Yan na rin natin to. Johnny Furpy. Rated Rookie Pink. Andrew Nemhart. And, syempre, Luca, baby. Ganda. Pero ito lang yata yung ordinary. Yeah, hindi pa to prism. Okay. Fourth pack. Come on. Isang downtown lang. Pasayahin mo kami. Ano kaya yan? Brandon Miller. Laurie Markkanen. Anthony Black. White Hot Rookies, talagang white ito. Dalton Knecht, Holo. Tyus Jones, Isaiah Hartenstein, Dwayne Wade, Holo, and Bronny James. Ayan. Rated Rookie. Guys, pag may mga gusto pala kayo dito sa mga cards, ano nyo lang, mag-comment lang kayo. Pag okay naman, bigay natin. Tyus Jones, and ito yung best card dito. Nandun si Bronny, tapos nandun si Dalton Knecht. Holo. Ayan na, may nakalagay prism. Okay, last 3 packs. Last 3 packs para makakuha ng downtown. Come on, isang downtown lang para masaya. Dalawang pink, isang holo. Treyman, Trey Jones, Tim Duncan, winner stays. Yan. Jalen Green, Houston. Hindi na siya Houston. De'Aaron Fox, Sacramento. Hindi na rin. Portland, Scoot Henderson, Mikal Bridges, and Isaiah Collier. Si Scoot, kumusta kaya to? Gagaling kaya to ngayon sa Portland? Kasi wala na siya, ano eh. De'Aaron Fox, Jalen Green, and ito, Tim Duncan. Ito na yung pinakamagandang card dun sa box, sa pack na yun. Last 2 packs. Come on, isang downtown lang. Ang downtown, nasa $1,000 at ang minimum. So may tsamba. Nurkic, Amen Thompson, Jordan Poole, White Hot Rookies ulit, Rob Dillingham, My House, Anthony Edwards Blue, ganda. Malachi Branham, AJ Jones, and Marcus Sasser. So, rated rookie AJ Jones, Hyper Pink, Branham. Ito siguro yung best card dito. My House Blue, Anthony Edwards. Ganda rin ng My House, ha? And Rob Dillingham, White Hot Rookies. Okay, last pack. Last pack to get a downtown. Come on. Last pack Mojo. Last pack Magic. Let's see. Yan kaya. Uy! Pero hindi yan ano eh. Hindi yan downtown. Victor Wembanyama. I-sleeves natin yan. Okay, Cam Reddish. Brandon Ingram ang una. Dame Lillard, Express Lane Holo. Ano itong pangalawa? Uy, ang ganda naman. LeBron James, Express Lane. Ano to? Kasi parang ano eh. Wow! Number 34 of 59. Bang! Panalo na. Buti na lang ano pa, hindi si Dame to. At least Express Lane. Ganda oh. Ayan guys, Express Lane LeBron James numbered card. 34 of 59. Ganda. Panalo to. Alright, that's our best card of the break. Ay, hindi pa tapos. Mitchell Robinson, Anfernee Simons, Jacoby Walter, rated rookie, and ito, Express Lane, Dame Lillard Hollow. Yan, ganda, ang ganda ng box na to. Pag meron pang time, bibili pa ulit ako nito. So, Optic 2024-2025 Mega Box. Ito yung best card natin doon sa break. Express Lane LeBron James numbered 34 of 59. Medyo weird ang numbering 59. Pero low numbered insert. Alright, if you want to see more contents like this guys, please like and subscribe to Attorney B's Cards and Collectibles vlog. Thank you, till the next break. Bye.